We are standing together with those who have endured racial prejudice in their lives. Racism comes in many forms, some clear, some more subtle. It affects not just the victim, but friends, families, and entire communities. We are not free from racism in Wales. All lives matter only when Black Lives Matter. To bring about change, we cannot be afraid to take the first step. We need to be ready to learn, to be corrected for change. Now more than ever,
we must say no to racism.
Rhaid dweud na
wrth hiliaeth.
And give our future generations the tools and support to challenge prejudice. It is not enough to be not racist.
We must all be anti-racist.
We are supporting Show Racism the Red Card,
our education charity.
Education will make us stronger.
Together we'll be stronger.
Gorau chwarae, cyd chwarae.